Today we discuss about how to make a model of lungs. Take two balloons, straw, rubber band, pencil, asbestos material. First already cutting. First already cutting the bottle. First of all, balloon cut. Balloon cut this no going that next balloon wraps around the lower part of the cutting bottle tightly. Cutting bottle tightly. No other balloon straw into the neck and tied tightly rubber band and rubber band balloon is going ready, desirable prepared, now going to with pencil create a pore passing straw, then straw come on asbestos material. Now we want to get prepared the balloon and get into the bottle. Inside the bottle, inside the bottle draw, inside the bottle draw, in, in and out, out, in, out, in,